I think we should do it. It's just up around the corner a little bit. We're going to check this out up here. Oh wow, look at this back here. This is pretty cool. Looks like we got a one-lane bridge coming up. Again, this is Elko Motorcycle Group exploring the Double Mountain turnoff. And I think we might have that might have been it. That might have been it. I don't know. Here, we'll go up here a little bit more, see what's going on up here. Okay, I guess that's it. Turn this heritage around. Yeah, I think we've pretty much saw what there was to see. What do you think? I think it was back there where the bridge was. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're doing a little exploring off the beaten path. So this is the 15th ride of the Elko Motorcycle Group, and this, I hope, is not the last of the season, but it may be. It just may be. The temperature will be changing soon as winter starts to set in, with November starting tomorrow. So it's quite possible this won't be too many of these rides left. Certainly not like today. This is a beautiful day for a ride. Yeah, we'll get back up here to this cool bridge and water. Take a closer look at what that was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Double Mountain is this valley up here. It looks like to me. Yeah, here we go. We're back to the one-lane bridge. Oh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it right here. Double Mountain. I'm going to pull up here and park on the one-lane bridge. Let's take a look down in there. Could that be it? Could those be them? Double Mountain, Double Mountain, Double Mountain. Here come the boys. So that pretty much concludes the 15th ride of the Elko Motorcycle Group Halloween edition. Hope everybody has a great Halloween, and I will see you in the next one. Take care now.